Hi everyone! Since our first campaign, we've shipped to 6,000 backers all over the world. Now, we are back to bring a new product. This is Mocha 360, the smallest panorama camera in the world. We achieved a compact size and 116 grams of sophisticated structure beyond the imagination. Mocha 360 applied two 7-glass lenses, superb internal quality, and f2.0 aperture to ensure better image quality. Symmetrical 220 degrees dual lens design could cover double 360 degrees recording. Using iOS and Android app to operate Mocha 360, the smooth operation on multiple filming modes frees your creative inspiration. With built-in stitching, at a click of the button, the 360-degree video could be seen on your phone or tablet. You can download it to your phone and share instantly. Mocha 360 supports live streaming, using VR glasses to review the wonderful moments or experience the scene thousands of miles away. Mocha 360 has a magnet base. Stick it on the fence of playground or lamp in the cafe. You can film without any accessory. With Mocha 360, when you film the sky, you can also film the ground you walk on. When you record a friend's smiling face, you can also take your own funny moments. When you record the scenery in front of the bike, your cheerful look could be recorded at the same moment. Regardless of soccer or rugby match, you can record the performance of the entire team. Take Mocha 360 to swimming parties or diving with the waterproof case so you can record the mysterious world 40 meters deep underwater. If you have a Mocha 360, what will you record? Please share this product with all your family and friends. Let us make it a reality.
This is Harrison. He loves a good game of ping pong. But finding a competitive partner is hard. Shane is unbeatable. Not fun. Catherine is still learning. Also not fun. And Matthew, now there's a great partner. But he's not always around. Introducing TrainerBot. It's your new ping pong partner that's always available and always competitive. It can shoot any spin, anywhere on a table, on any table. It's got the accuracy of a machine triple its size, but it fits in your bag. And it's the first of its kind that lets you control all of this from your phone. TrainerBot lets you pick a setting that's perfect for you. Beginners can practice their forehands with slow, easy shots. Just choose a location, spin type, and a slow interval. As you improve, TrainerBot grows with you. You can create a sequence that involves multiple shots, like forehand and backhand. And for advanced players, TrainerBot becomes unpredictable. You can make it shoot randomly at maximum speed. In close games, there's no feeling like hitting that epic shot. Those moments are rare, but they don't have to be, because TrainerBot can recreate any match situation. Hit 100 smashes, slice 1,000 shots. It never misses. Having trouble beating your friends? TrainerBot can turn their toughest shots into drills. With enough practice, you'll beat them next time. And never waste another tutorial. TrainerBot transforms hours of YouTube into hours of gameplay. It's also designed to help people connect, regardless of their experience level. Now, anyone can play together without holding back or feeling outmatched. It's your ultimate ping pong partner.
It was so much fun.
Especially that crazy setting where it just shoots everywhere. I'm kind of sweating a little bit right now.
Within 20 seconds, I was already starting to make small adjustments to how I was holding the paddle.
It was very efficient, it was fast.
I started out and it seemed easy, but then it got so much harder. I mean, there's something for every skill level.
I've actually played ping pong robots before. That actually blew my mind.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Alex.
And I'm Harrison.
Me and my brother always try to kick each other's ass while we play ping pong. So we start building the first TrainerBot with just a garbage can to just searchable for us to smash. But later on we find out with app and software, you can do a lot more. You can simulate games, you can create your own drills, and the coolest part is you can share those drills with anyone in the world. 3 months ago, we decided to join HAX, which is the world's largest hardware accelerator. We sourced a lot of motors, and we also designed all the mechanism from the ground up to give you the fun experience that we want you to have. We have talked to many manufacturers now. Now the last part is just tooling. And Kickstarter, that's why we need your help. Please back and share this campaign on Kickstarter so we can bring TrainerBot to you.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Do you ever get the feeling that you're constantly drained? In today's fast-paced, highly connected world, we're busier than ever. Instead of looking after ourselves, we spend countless hours worrying about our battery levels because we rely on technology for work, fun, and even dating. But what if technology was part of the solution instead of part of the problem? Introducing hypercube. Wake up, recharged. Hypercube is an award-winning sleep aid, wake-up light, and alarm clock that can wirelessly charge up to 3 cheat-enabled devices. The Hypercube alarm utilizes gradually increasing light and sound for more natural wake-ups. Use the Hypercube app to create a custom light and sound alarm, or select one of the pre-programmed sunrise simulations. Hypercube is engineered to fast charge both Apple and Android devices, so you can charge your new iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. Or your Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, and LG G6. Whatever your preference, the 10-watt wireless charging pad on Hypercube can charge your phone up to 2 times faster than standard wireless chargers. You can also customize Hypercube with modular add-ons. For travelers, the power bank turns Hypercube into the ultimate wireless charging solution. For audiophiles, the Bluetooth speaker base provides an immersive sound experience. And when you leave the house, simply fold up Hypercube and take it with you for convenient wireless charging anywhere. With an adjustable 3-position design, the possibilities are endless. When it's time for bed, use the Hypercube app to tailor-make the bedtime routine of your dreams so you can fall asleep and stay asleep. But should you wake up, Hypercube makes taking care of business in the middle of the night easier too. This is Hypercube. Wake up, recharged.
Look at you going all green. Even your straw is reusable. You're also into fermenting. And no more plastic bags for you. But your veggies don't look too good. The basil's dying. The tomato? Oh boy. And this? Let's not even go there. You'd check that notebook full of useful tips we all have. But it's tucked away in a drawer, isn't it? And those saved articles on Pinterest? Good luck with that. Here at The Green Conspiracy, we want to give growers their confidence back by creating the first planner for urban gardeners just like you. The planner works as a one-stop shop for all your gardening notes. Seed packet info, recipes, dark secrets, and everything in between. We came up with a simple but smart template of a plant's growth cycle from seed to harvest. So in case you forgot something, the planner reminds you to look into it. Need a place to write your notes on watering peppers? Each plant gets its own profile page, making it easy to see what everyone's up to and tend to their needs. Remember what you did last month? Of course you don't, but now you do. Use the logs section to document and track everything in your little urban oasis. Plan ahead. Use the monthly calendar to set your feeding schedule or to get an overview of your entire year using the annual planting calendar. No more guesswork on when seeds need to be sown. Now, you might ask why we decided to go with analog and not an app. Because there's already enough screens in our lives and constant distractions. Uh-oh. But we didn't make a garden planner that was just useful. It's also beautiful. Something to keep on the coffee table. But most importantly, for showing it off. Be proud. We're so proud of you already. We've been working on this planner for the past year. Combining our design knowledge and gardening experience, we made several prototypes until we created the perfect one. We then gathered a team of fantastic people and used their feedback to add the final touches to the planner. Become a backer of the Green Conspiracy today.